Dear friends, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are discussing 50 important multiple choice questions with answers of business environment. These are the MCQ type questions. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. A firm aims towards dash allocation of resource limited in supply with alternative uses. Answer option B, optimum. Question number 2. An economic unit transforms dash into output. Answer option A, inputs. Question number 3. The dash environment refers to the factors that affect the consumer's purchasing power. Answer option C. Question number 4. Understanding a business in depth is the goal of dash. Answer option B, internal analysis. Question number 5. The present and future viability of an enterprise is impacted by dash. Answer option A, environment. Question number 6. A country's balance of payment is a record of its dash with the rest of the world. Answer option B, economic transactions. Question number 7. GNI stands for. Answer option C, gross national income. Question number 8. Dash refers to the transfer of assets from public to private ownership. Answer option B, privatization. Question number 9. This fiscal policy is used to cure recession. Answer option B, expansionary. Question number 10. An expansionary monetary policy will cause interest rate to dash. Answer option A, fall. Question number 11. The energy crisis has led us to think in terms of modifying our energy policy and more research in alternative energy resources. This is a form of. Answer D, cultural adaptations. Question number 12. What people think of an organization's action is called. Answer option C, public image. Question number 13. Dash developed the code of ethics which uses 4 questions for any ethical issue a business faces. Answer option B, Rotary International. Question number 14. The government has to opt for privatization because the dash sector was not efficient. Answer option B, public sector. Question number 15. Dash is a preferred language of communication in Indian business. Answer option B, English. Question number 16. A political system is based on the dash of the ruling government. Answer option A, ideology. Question number 17. Dash means integrating the domestic economy with the world economy. Answer option A, globalization. Question number 18. India has a dash political system. Answer option C, rural. Question number 19. India embarked on a series of economic reforms in dash. Answer option A, 1991. Question number 20. In a capitalist system, the consumer is regarded as dash. Answer option B, sovereign. Question number 21. Extreme form of socialism is called dash. Answer option C, communism. Question number 22. Economic dash has replaced the price mechanism under a socialist economy. Answer option B, inequality. Question number 23. The dash is the chairman of Planning Commission of India. Answer option A, Prime Minister. Question number 24. Instead of competing the private sector, the dash the public sector in a mixed economy. Answer option B, supplements. Question number 25. The dash motive, which is the integral part of the capitalist economy, motivates the producer to undertake production. Answer option C, profit. Question number 26. The silent features of the new economy policy 1991 are. Answer option C, D, all of the above. A, liberalization. B, privatization. C, globalization. Question number 27. Dash refers to selling of a public sector unit's equity in the market. Answer option D, disinvestment. Question number 28. FEMA is the foreign exchange dash. Answer option B, Management Act. Question number 29. All proposals which are not eligible for the RBI's automatic approval are required to get the government's approval through the dash and the Foreign Investment Promotion Board. Answer option A, SIA. Question number 30. SEBI was founded in 1992 to protect the interest of dash. Answer option B, investor. Question number 31. In a capitalistic economy, there is dash interference by the government in the economic activities. Answer option C, both A and B. A, minimum. B, least. Question number 32. Non-profitable or sick units are referred to dash. Answer option B, BIFR. Question number 33. Dash means integrating the domestic economy with the world economy. Answer option C, Globalization. Question number 34. IFCO is related to manufacturing of dash. Answer option A, fertilizers. Question number 35. Third sector of the economy is dash sector. Answer option C, service. Question number 36. Dash examine the function of public sector enterprises. Answer option B, Committee on Public Undertakings. Question number 37. In India, 8 hours shift was first introduced by TISCO in dash. Answer option B, 1912. Question number 38. In free trade area, the focus is usually on eliminating dash only. Answer option A, tariffs. Question number 39. Members of the Economic Union work as a single nation as far as dash policy is concerned. Answer option B, economic. Question number 40. Dash refers to selling of a public sector unit's equity in the market. Answer option D, disinvestment. Question number 41. A state exercises its dash through a dash system that governs its people. Answer option A, sovereignty political. Question number 42. A mixed economy combines the elements of both the dash and the economics. Answer option C, capitalist and socialist. Question number 43. In mixed economy, the dash sector regulates the dash sector. Answer option B, public and private. Question number 44. One of the important objectives of the cooperative sector is eradication of dash and dash. Answer option B, unemployment and poverty. Question number 45. An economic activities is the task of adjusting resources to the target's economic activity may be in the form of dash and production. Answer option B, consumption. Question number 46. Business involves making a choice among a set of alternative courses of action, which is the essence of all dash problems. Answer option D, economic. Question number 47. Economic policies refer to the monetary and dash that affect the growth rate of the economy and the attained price stability in the economy. Answer option C, fiscal policies. Question number 48. A free market is a market in which there is no dash and regulation by the state except to enforce taxes, private contracts, and the ownership of property. Answer option C, economic intervention. Question number 49. Dash refers to the system of moral principles and rules of conduct applied to business. Answer option C, business ethics. Question number 50 and last question. This refers to the extent that an organization's activities are known to persons outside the organization. Answer option D, public visibility. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe our channel.